Akbar, who established the basis of Mughal Empire in the India, is known for his unmatchable deeds. He had 9 gems in his court. Some of them were Mahamanga, Rajaman Singh, Tan Singh,
अभी
and
बीरबल
Lord of
आएगा, अभी
Birbar.
बीरबल आएगा.
Let's see a story of Birbal and Akbar here on this stage.
Ministers, yes, my lord. I'm willing to give a surprise among my students. It's great like you, sir. But what should be the condition of distributing the prize?
My lord, these are great people. What the condition?
Great! Call it to me.
भैया आ गया.
Sir, how can I serve you?
Birbal, I want to give some precious prize among my subjects, but I'm unable to set the condition. Can you help us?
Sure, my lord.
You are late today to think over the condition. Tomorrow noon, we shall visit right here at the right time.
जब भी आएगा, अभी आएंगे. अभी वो बोलेंगे सर.
Ministers, yes, my lord. Where is our people? Is he still thinking over the subject?
I'm here, ahead in your great court.
So, what did you think?
Great sir, it is extremely cold these days. We are shivering very badly. Our body is freezing to the cold.
But hurry, we all today. Come to the point.
Sir, the body that you should declare the entire state. If anyone is standing bare body in the Yamuna will be given a parcel of gold coins and ask your gods to keep watching him all night.
Oh, Birbal, whole life of mine. I couldn't understand your wisdom, your thought. Listen me. Gods, go and tell Yamuna the same condition.
ये बीरबल की खिचड़ी है. खिचड़ी.
इसीलिए सर बोले खिचड़ी.
हाँ, बीरबल की खिचड़ी.
पीछे से चलना है क्या? अभी तो पीछे
बता नहीं पा रही.
ये रितेश के भैया. अरे रितेश बोले थे. रितेश ही है ना?
कौन?
हमारे क्लास में रितेश पढ़ता है, उसके भैया. ये जो
होगा, पता नहीं.
बता रहे जो.
हाँ. बीरबल आ गया. बीरबल सबसे आगे.
Yes, my lord. There is only one who is strong enough to face our terrible challenge. Bring him to me.
क्या हो रहा है?
Tulana, where, sir? What is your good name?
Sir, my name is Bhima. I am staying in the village of a steam domain.
Do you think if you can form our challenge?
My lord, I am damn sure of doing so.
Birbal, do you think he can fulfill the challenge?
My lord, his poor one and poor man can do anything to earn a great deal of amount.
Then take him on the bank of the Yamuna and let him keep standing its waving waterfall tonight. And our guns will have a sharp eye on him. Let it be done.
All right, my lord.
हमको क्या पता?
If you have any last wish, because we know well you will die by standing in this extremely cold water. And if you try to escape out of the challenge, we will not let you. So you are going to see the last night of your life. Ha 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 ha!
We both are here only. Let's see what's happening the next morning.
Oh my, I can't believe he's still alive and breathing. We thought he would not see the next sun, but amazingly, he survived the freezing water of the Yamuna. Let's take him in front of the king.
खड़े हैं भैया, देखो उधर देखो, उधर पकड़ लीजिए, पकड़ लीजिए उनका।
कहानी ये है कि एक बार अकबर अपने दरबार में ऐलान करता है कि वो उस इंसान को थैली भर के अशर्फियाँ सोने की देना चाहता है जो ठंड की मौसम में, वो भी आगरा की ठंड के मौसम में रात भर नंगे बदन यमुना के पानी में खड़ा रहे। और उसके पूरे राज्य में सिर्फ एक ऐसा गरीब होता है जो इस चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करता है। लेकिन अकबर जब उससे ये पूछता है कि वो पूरी रात यमुना के ठंडे पानी में खड़ा कैसे रहा, तो वो बताता है कि अकबर के किले के दियों और मशालों की रोशनी को रात भर देखता रहा और इस तरह से पूरी रात उसे यमुना में खड़े खड़े गुजारा। अकबर को लगता है इसमें वो सादगी की कोई बहादुरी नहीं थी, चमत्कार इसकी महल में जलने वाली दियों और मशालों का। इस पर बीरबल उसे एक सबक सिखाने की कोशिश करता है और अपनी खिचड़ी की दावत पर उसे बुलाता है, जिसमें वो खिचड़ी का बर्तन बहुत ऊंचाई पर टांगता है और आग को काफी नीचे जलाता है। इस संदेश से वो अकबर को समझाता है कि उसने उस गरीब आदमी के साथ गलत किया। आइए देखें आगे क्या होता है।
I'm unable to believe this serene and thin body could survive the terrible and cold water of the Yamuna. Guards, you will keep your watch at him, otherwise he was misled.
My lord, he was under our surveillance all the night. He was standing in the river like a statue. We too are highly surprised like you, sir.
Then he really deserves a reward that was declared for this fatal challenge. Come forward, you brave man, and collect castle. If there is something to be praised, that is the lamps of my castle. I already knew something was wrong, and you vanished my doubt. Guards, take him up to the palace. He doesn't deserve this reward.
Sir, but, sir, but, sir, sir, but, sir, but, sir.
My lord, your justice is as great as you are. At this happy moment, I want to invite tonight for dinner. May I have your presence with your ministers?
Oh, people, you know well, I can never refuse you for anything. But what are you going to feed us tonight?
My lord, it's a khichdi of 5 brains. It's very special, but a simple food.
Oh, I do want something light and simple tonight in dinner. We will reach your residence at the respective time.
Where is Birbal? Where is Birbal?
Are you ready to have the special khichdi of Birbal?
Yes, my lord. I'm dying of hunger. I think we should not get late.
Okay, then follow me all.
कितना बढ़िया
Have your seats, sir, and also be ministers.
Birbal, we are very excited to eat your special khichdi. Is it ready?
Yes, my lord. Just wait for a few minutes. Very soon it will be served before you people.
Alright. What else have you already with it?
My lord, salad, pickle, and sauce, and gayura.
Oh my God, Birbal, I can't wait.
I'll right back with it, sir.
मन्नू कितनी बढ़िया मुझे मूछ मूछ देखना
Why is it ending so late? One of them you go and see the matter.
Sir, I think something is wrong with Birbal. I think he's not in his senses.
What the hell are you reading? Say clearly.
Sir, I think better you should go and see it yourself.
Then follow me all. Birbal, you are my prime minister. You are famous far and wide for intelligence. And what a foolish act are you doing?
My lord, I'm following you only.
How can you say so?
Sir, if Bhima can get bomb from the lamp of your castle, in the same way, this pot also can get bomb from 5 feet distance.
Birbal. Now I realized how mighty with Bhima. He really deserves the reward. Ministers, call that poor man next day in the court. Our treasury need double coins. Birbal, no doubt, you are the wisest fellow of my kingdom. I am proud to be your master.
My lord, it's your greatness, otherwise I'm nothing.
फोटो ही है फोटो
So this was the story of Birbal ki Khichdi.